Hey, I'm John and welcome to DIY e-liquid recipes. Today's video is a new 3 flavors mix that I have preparing for a while. This is a different style of recipe than the usual e-liquids I have been mixing recently. So, this is the salted caramel e-liquid recipe. This is a very nice and balanced e-liquid that is simple to make and only requires 4 to 5 days of steeping. Now, while making this e-liquid, I had 2 different options. I could use a regular caramel flavor and try to add a salty side taste to it, or use a pre-made finalized flavor. When I tried making it even with a saline solution, I couldn't get the same taste like the completed concentrate, so I decided to build this recipe around the Flavor West salted caramel instead. The result was much better and more full. With only a few other ingredients, this mix made a nice and easy salted caramel recipe. So here is now the full recipe for you. Together with the salted caramel from Flavor West, there is also some extra acetyl paraffin for extra flavor body and a slightly more crust taste. Then some additional and much needed sweetener, since this caramel is a slightly dark tasting flavor just by itself. And last, a touch of vanilla bean ice cream from TFA to add some additional creaminess to the caramel and a nice side accent with the vanilla that is very mild but works very well to complete the whole flavor. Altogether, this e-liquid sits at 10% of total flavor and is mixed with 75% of vegetable glycerin and 25% of propylene glycol. For steeping, as I mentioned earlier, this e-liquid will usually be done in around 5 days, and it should vape with the full flavor for a while after that with minimal flavor degradation. For nicotine, I have tried it up to 5 milligrams and the flavor was almost unchanged. As a summary, I find this recipe very enjoyable to vape, and if you have the ingredients, hopefully you try it too. If you have your own salted caramel recipe, feel free to share it in the comments, since I would like to see also your approach. From my experimentation with the saline, it was working okay, but maybe the problem was in steeping. In any case, I hope you're having a good summer so far, and I will see you soon again on the next video.